I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
So this is a Sharan SEL. This is a 2-litre TDI Automatic 150 PS, finished in a deep black pearl paint, covering 15,912 miles. This 7-seater model features your heated windscreen washer jets as part of the winter pack as an additional feature, with your rear tinted glass as well as parking sensors front and rear to support with parking and tight manoeuvres. We have 17-inch alloy wheels, with your electric folding exterior mirrors as an additional feature. Got your silver fitted roof rails, as well as a fantastic panoramic sunroof with your electric sunblind. We have a good space available in the boot when the 2 back seats are up. We have enough room to cater for your daily needs such as any weekly shopping trips. And you can see how much the capacity has increased when the rear seats are folded. We also have an electric tailgate as an additional option. Other great additional features include your electric sliding rear doors. And then we also have your Vienna leather, offering both comfort and style with your ISOFIX points fitted, with the 2 additional seats in the boot. And then we also have the pull-out plastic trays as well as plenty of space available. In the front we have your multifunctional steering wheel. This is followed by your heated front seats, which are another additional feature. Then we do also have some electric adjustments available on the driver's seat. Your multifunctional steering wheel will allow you to access your car's media system. We do have the adaptive cruise control, and then we can also customise what you want to see in your instrument cluster, where we can find your key driver information and settings. In the centre we have your multimedia screen where we can access the car's functionalities. Some great features include your DAB digital radio. We do also have an aux input available so you can listen to your own music. We also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which also allows you to make hands-free calls, with your satellite navigation to support you in planning your routes. And when popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen. This car features your climate controls, allowing yourself and front passenger to be in charge of your own temperature settings. Then we also have your front heated seating options. And then moving down, we have your automatic transmission, as well as your electronic park brake with auto hold.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.